Hey guys, this is the most rarest vintage Royal Enfield bikes that anyone could see at this time. This is the 1971 500cc diesel engine bullet. Yes guys, you heard it right. This is the diesel engine bullet. This bike has its gear system on the right and the braking on the left, which is completely opposite to the present Royal Enfield bikes. As you guys can see, the number plate itself is one of the rarest bikes that's found, and I'm comparing the number plate because it's the old-fashioned number. And talking about the mileage, it gives you around 85 kilometer per liter. Yes, guys, it gives you 85, which is almost equivalent to the 100cc bikes that come right now. And this bike's riding position is almost exactly same as the present Royal Enfield, but a slightly heavier towards this section. And this bike's vibration is much more compared to the present Bullet, because this bike is almost like a generator, to be honest, because the sound, the vibration is extreme. And talking about the power, it is really less compared to the present Bullet, because I am really not sure why, but the power is really less. Going on an inclined slope, trust me, I would feel it really difficult, because crossing a hump was a little big task in this bike. But to be honest, for all those Royal Enfield lovers who need to collect bikes, this is one of the biggest option to get hands on them. So if any of you guys want to get this bike, the location and the contact details will be in the description. You guys can check it out. And before we end this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified for more such videos. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Bye bye.